Simple way to make sardine at home. First, you cut off the head of the fish totally. You don't need the head. Then you cut off the bottom of the fish. So we are going to cut the sides of the fish to make it easier to remove the insides of the fish. To remove all those dirt in the fish. Then we are going to put our hands into the fish and remove the bone. Because in sardine there are no bones in it. And this species of fish, which is the hairy fish, it has a lot of bones, so you just remove them. So this is me trying to remove the fish inside, and this is it. So then we are going to cut our fish into smaller parts. Then you clean up your fish. In an empty pot, you add the cut up fish. Add seasoning powder, add salt, add oil. The measurements will be in the description box. Then add a bit of water so that it will cook. And because I'm Yoruba, I'm adding pepper. Cover the pot, cook on low heat, and this is what you get. And this is your sardine, guys. Simple, quick and easy.